ladies and Habibis. Today I'm going to introduce you to the best AI storyboard tool out there. And in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest way to design a storyboard and animate every single scene without writing a single prompt. So stick around till the end, because even if you already know about this tool, the method I'm about to share is going to blow your mind with how easy it is. Or if you're in a hurry, just jump straight to the bonus timestamp to check it out. And here's the best part. In this storyboard studio, your characters, locations, props, everything stays perfectly consistent throughout. Habibis, let me show you an example. Here's a video I made using this exact tool.
That's weird. It's never spun this fast. Something's pulling it. Something magical. Shadow, look at this. The compass is pointing right here. There's something buried in the roots. A key? A crystal key?
Shadow, you recognize this thing, don't you?
Shadow, wait! Slow down! Where are you going?
He's leading me somewhere. I have to trust him.
Alright, Habibis, here's how you get access. Just search Flova AI on Google and click on the first link that pops up. If you don't want to search, I've got the link right there in the description for you. Now go ahead and click on New Project to create your new project. Once you're on this page, head over to the top right menu and click on Tools. Now just scroll down a little and you'll find the prompting section, see, right here. And inside this section, click on Storyboard Studio. Once you're inside Storyboard Studio, the first thing you'll want to do is pick a style. And you've got a bunch of options here: realistic, 3D animation, charcoal, claymation, concept sketch, and more. For this one, I'm going with 3D animation, but feel free to pick whichever style fits your story best. Then click on Get Started. Now here, all you have to do is type in a simple story idea, something like this one. Two young treasure hunters follow an ancient map to a turtle island, solve a magical turtle statue puzzle, and discover a hidden chamber filled with legendary treasure guarded by a friendly giant sea turtle. And here's another cool option. If you already have your own script written, you can simply paste it right here. For example, in mine, I specified that I need a 30-second video, so you can include the duration in your script too, just like that. Once you're done, just click on this arrow icon and Storyboard Studio will get to work on your script right away. And look at this. Storyboard Studio has already created a full script for us, complete with transitions, dialogues, scenes, and even a title. Now, if we head over to the Assets tab, you'll see it's also generated characters, locations, and props. To bring those to life, just click on Autofill Characters and watch it start generating them. Same goes for locations. Click on Autofill Locations and it'll generate those too. And props, just as easy. Click on Autofill Props and it'll handle that as well. And there we go. You can see it has generated all the characters. Now, if you're not happy with any of them, no worries. You can easily edit them by entering a custom prompt. And look, it has also generated the locations and props as well. The best part is all these assets are directly based on your script, which makes it incredibly useful for keeping your characters and visuals consistent throughout the entire video. Now head over to the storyboard section and click on Autofill Scene. Go ahead and click all the Autofill Scene buttons one by one to generate all your scenes. And look at that. All the scenes are generated and the characters and locations are staying perfectly consistent throughout. But hey, If you ever notice a character looks a little off in any scene, don't worry about it. It's an easy fix. Just click on that scene. Then head over to Assets section, click on that character and copy the clothing and accessories prompt. Then jump back to the Storyboard section, click on that scene, paste that prompt after scene prompt, and hit Create Image, and just like that, problem solved. So now that all our scenes are generated, it's time to bring them to life by animating them. Now pay close attention here, because this part is just a little tricky. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Oh, and by the way, if you want to download any of these images, it's super simple. Just right-click on the image and hit Save Image to download it straight to your laptop. Now, here's the trick to animating those scenes perfectly. Take a full page screenshot of your storyboard using any Chrome extension or any other browser extension. I'll drop the link to the exact extension I'm using right down in the description. After that, download that screenshot in PNG or PDF format. Now open a new tab in your browser and search for Claude AI. And don't worry, I'll have all the links ready for you down in the description. Once you're in Claude, hit that plus button and upload your screenshot. Next, enter this prompt right here. Yep, this one is also in the description for you. Then jump back to Google Flow AI, go to the script section, select the whole script and copy it. Once that's done, come back to Claude AI, paste your script right below the prompt and go ahead and hit send. And this is where the magic happens. Claude AI will now generate a perfect animation prompt for us because we gave it both our storyboard screenshot and the complete script. This whole workflow is what makes the animation process so much smoother and more accurate for each scene. All right, Habibis, here it is, the complete workflow that Claude generated for us. And look at this. Claude has created individual animation prompts along with dialogues for every single scene. This is exactly what makes the whole animation process so easy and smooth. No guessing, no extra effort. Everything is just laid out for you. Now to animate these scenes, you can use any image to video model you like. I'm personally going with Seedance on Flex Clip since I had some credits to try it out. Now here's how the animation process works. First, download your scene image from the storyboard and upload it right here. Then head over to your Claude prompt, copy the first scene's animation prompt, paste it in and hit generate, and just like that, your video will start generating. All right, Habibis, our video is finally ready. Let's dive in and see how it turned out.
Mia, the map says we're getting close. I can feel it.
All right, now let's move on to creating another video, and this time we're going to animate scene 6 using prompt number 6. Here's how it works. First, download the scene image. Then copy prompt number 6. Next, head over to your image to video model, upload the image, paste in the prompt, and hit generate. And just like that, your video will start processing. All right, Habibis, our video is ready. Let's see how this came out.
We made it. Come on, no time to celebrate yet.
So this is how you can create a storyboard for free using Storyboard Studio, and how you can animate very easily using Master Prompt. If you learned something new, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm now going to work on another amazing video. Thanks for watching.